Selection is the process of choosing which set of instructions to execute based on whether a condition is true or false. It allows different paths of logic to be followed depending on the values of variables or the outcome of expressions. This is essential for decision-making in programs, enabling behavior to adapt to different inputs or situations. The most common form involves checking a condition and then executing a block of code only if that condition is met. There can also be multiple conditions checked in sequence, each with its own associated actions. When no condition is met, an optional default path can be used to handle all other cases. This structure makes it possible to build flexible and responsive logic that reacts appropriately to different scenarios.